Elizabetes residence is located in one of the most prestigious Riga streets, Elizabetes Street 22.
Let's view the apartment.
The building has been renovated in 2015, where all the facade, roof, the communications have been replaced and renovated.
Welcome to the apartment with 166 square meters. Here you can see spacious kitchen zone, and on the right side we have a living room. The total bedrooms, there are 6. For both sides we have master bedrooms and also guest bedrooms. The planning is very harmonious. A lot of windows are on the street side and also windows on the courtyard side. Windows has a good sound insulation. The master bedroom is located here with a French balcony looking inwards in a courtyard. Also, the room is having en suite. Let's now move to the area where the wardrobes are. The owners additionally invested in high-quality finishing materials, including laying oak parquet on the floor. A 5 to 10 minute walk away is Old Riga, Harmonious Garden, Renovated Park and Esplanade. Opposite the building is Berga Quartals.